As the world turns its attention to the Italian Alps for the 2026 Milano Cortina Winter Games, a massive, silent operation is unfolding behind the scenes. This isn't just a sporting event, it is a logistical masterpiece spread across 22,000 square kilometers. Here is an inside look at the high-stakes logistics of the 2026 Olympic Villages. The Alpine Construction Race. The 2026 Games have rewritten the rulebook on Olympic housing by ditching white elephant stadiums for modular, sustainable living. Zero-Emission Living. In Milan's Porta Romana district, the Olympic Village designed by SOM features 6 residential blocks built to NZEB, nearly zero energy building, standards. These units utilize heat pumps and 1 megawatt of rooftop solar panels to remain carbon neutral. Modular Innovation in Cortina. In the high-altitude Fiames cluster, a pop-up village was constructed using 377 prefabricated wooden-clad mobile homes. These units were transported via heavy-lift systems and assembled in record time to minimize the environmental footprint on the protected Dolomite landscape. The overlap strategy. Construction was finished 3 months ahead of schedule by overlapping phases using a specialized NPS, new performance system, where structural columns were assembled in just 8 minutes, allowing internal systems, HVAC, and bathrooms to be installed immediately after. The supply chain ballet. With venues spread from the fashion capital of Milan to the peaks of South Tyrol, moving goods is a constant battle against geography. 15,000 daily meals. Coordinating food for thousands of athletes involves a just-in-time delivery system navigating narrow, snow-packed passes. A bespoke food recovery system has been implemented to ensure 100% of unconsumed food is repurposed for local charities or animal feed. Precision tracking. High-value equipment from $100,000 bobsleds to delicate medical kits is monitored in real time. An Olympic task force handles customs at ports like Genoa, using a specialized Olympic family registry to fast-track gear through border checks. The winter storm window. Logistics teams must account for peak Alpine storms, maintaining a 4-8-hour buffer of essential supplies to ensure competition never halts due to a road closure. The silent infrastructure. While the athletes take the spotlight, the invisible grid keeps the games running. Hydrogen and electric transit, a mass transport network, connects the decentralized villages. Hydrogen-powered transit loops and electric shuttles move athletes between secluded venues, supported by a newly reinforced electricity grid featuring 130 kilometers of invisible underground power lines. 6G and hyperconnectivity. To manage the massive data loads of modern broadcasting and athlete communication, a robust 5G, advanced and early 6G testing network has been integrated across the valley, ensuring seamless connectivity even at altitudes of 2,000+ meters. Waste to energy. The village operates on a circular economy model. Waste is diverted to specialized local plants that convert it into energy, maintaining the village's status as a leader in sustainable event hosting. The human factor. Managing 3,500 athletes requires a delicate balance between high security and community feel. The athlete bubble. The villages are designed as high-performance sanctuaries with thick soundproofing for rest. However, social relaxation zones, complete with recreation halls and multilingual support staff, ensure athletes don't feel isolated. Specialized rescue. Given the rugged terrain, elite mountain rescue teams and medical suites are stationed on-site 24/7, ready to respond to tactical bottlenecks or injuries in the remote alpine sectors. The 0-hour countdown. As the clock ticks toward the opening ceremony at San Siro, the final stress tests are underway. Grid resilience. Every power line and backup generator in the Dolomite region is undergoing a final 4-8-hour load test to prevent outages during the global broadcast. Tactical positioning. Emergency response units have been pre-positioned at known traffic bottlenecks to ensure the most widespread games in history remain mobile. The arrival. The first wave of athletes is currently arriving at the foot of the Italian Alps, moving from airports to their modular mountain homes in a transition that has been years in the making.